what the Stoics taught us about finding happiness and contentment. Have you ever wondered why some people stay calm and content even facing life's biggest challenges? Imagine facing life's ups and downs with unshakable inner peace. The secret lies in the wisdom of ancient philosophers. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to happiness and contentment from the timeless teachings of the Stoics. Intrigued? Let's dive in. Welcome to our channel. If you're looking for practical ways to boost your happiness and find lasting contentment, you're in the right place. The Stoics were ancient philosophers from Greece and Rome who developed profound insights into how to live a full. Their wisdom has stood the test of time and can guide us through the complexities of modern living. In this video, we'll explore 5 key Stoic principles that can transform the way you approach life's challenges, enhance your well-being, and help you cultivate a deeper sense of inner peace. From focusing on what you can control to embracing life's natural cycles, the Stoics offer a roadmap to a happier, more contented life. So, whether you're dealing with stress, looking for more meaning, or simply curious about ancient wisdom, stay tuned. Let's uncover what the Stoics taught us about finding happiness and contentment. Focus on what you can control. One of the main ideas of Stoicism is to focus on what you can control and let go of what you can't. The Stoics believe that we should only concern ourselves with things that are within our power, like our thoughts, actions, and attitudes. This principle is incredibly empowering because it shifts our focus from external circumstances, which are often unpredictable and beyond our control, to our internal responses, which we can manage and refine. Think about it. So many of our daily frustrations stem from trying to control the uncontrollable. Whether it's the weather, other people's actions, or unexpected events, these are all outside our sphere of influence. By recognizing this, we can save ourselves a lot of unnecessary stress and anxiety. Instead of wasting energy on things we can't change, we can direct our efforts towards improving our mindset and behaviors. Example: imagine you're stuck in traffic. You can't control the traffic, but you can control how you respond to it. Instead of getting angry or frustrated, you could use that time to listen to your favorite music, an interesting podcast, or an audiobook. This small shift in focus can make a big difference. By choosing to see the traffic jam as an opportunity rather than a setback, you transform a potentially negative experience into a positive one. The same principle applies to other areas of life. If you face a difficult situation at work, instead of stressing about things beyond your control, like company policies or other people's opinions, focus on how you can respond constructively. Maybe you can find a creative solution to a problem, or simply maintain a positive attitude in the face of challenges. This not only helps you stay calm and composed, but also enhances your ability to navigate difficult situations effectively. By focusing on what you can control, you empower yourself to create a better, more content life. The Stoics remind us that while we can't always choose our circumstances, we can always choose our response. And often, that makes all the difference. Practice gratitude. Another core teaching of Stoicism is the practice of gratitude. The Stoics believe that we should appreciate what we have and regularly express gratitude for the good things in our lives. This mindset helps us achieve greater contentment and shifts our focus from what we lack to what we already possess. In a world where we are constantly bombarded with messages telling us we need more success, more possessions, more everything, practicing gratitude can be a powerful antidote. Gratitude helps us recognize the abundance in our lives, no matter how small it may seem. By regularly reflecting on the positives, we train our minds to see the good in our everyday experiences. This doesn't mean ignoring the challenges or difficulties we face, but rather balancing them with a conscious acknowledgement of the positive aspects of our lives. When we make gratitude a habit, we cultivate a mindset of appreciation and contentment, which can significantly enhance our overall well-being. In Pistas IPs, one practical way to incorporate gratitude into your daily routine is by starting or ending your day with a simple gratitude exercise. Take a moment to think about 3 things you're grateful for. These can be simple things like a delicious meal, a kind word from a friend, or a beautiful sunset. You might also consider writing them down in a gratitude journal. Over time, this practice can help shift your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in your life. For instance, imagine reflecting on your day before bed. You might recall a moment when a colleague appreciated your work, the joy of having a cozy home to return to, or the delight of a relaxing walk in the park. By consistently practicing gratitude, you train your mind to notice and appreciate these moments more readily. This simple yet profound shift in perspective can lead to a more positive and fulfilling outlook on life. The Stoics remind us that contentment is found not in the abundance of material possessions, but in the richness of our experiences and relationships. By practicing gratitude, we learn to cherish what we have and find joy in the present moment, leading to a more peaceful and happy life. Embrace challenges. A fundamental teaching of Stoicism is the idea of embracing challenges. The Stoics saw difficulties and adversities as essential opportunities for growth and self-improvement. Rather than avoiding problems, they encouraged facing them head-on and viewing them as integral parts of life. This mindset helps us build resilience and strength of character, enabling us to navigate life's inevitable ups and downs with greater ease and composure. When we encounter challenges, our initial reaction might be to shy away or feel overwhelmed. However, the Stoics believe that these moments of struggle are precisely when we learn the most about ourselves. Adversity tests our limits, pushes us out of our comfort zones, and ultimately makes us stronger. By embracing challenges, we develop qualities like patience, perseverance, and wisdom, which are invaluable in our personal and professional lives. Think yourself. Think about a difficult situation you faced in the past. Maybe it was a tough exam, a challenging project at work, or a personal loss. Reflect on how you dealt with it and what you learned from the experience. Perhaps a challenging project taught you the importance of time management and teamwork. Or a personal loss might have helped you develop deeper empathy and a greater appreciation for the people in your life. These experiences, while tough at the time, often lead to significant personal growth and developments. For example, consider the story of someone who lost their job unexpectedly. Initially, this situation might seem purely negative and highly stressful. However, by embracing this challenge, they might decide to pursue a passion they had been putting off, leading to a more fulfilling career path. They could also develop new skills, build resilience, and discover a sense of purpose that they hadn't realized before. The Stoics remind us that life's challenges are not roadblocks but stepping stones. By changing our perspective and seeing obstacles as opportunities for growth, we can transform our approach to adversity. Embracing challenges helps us build a stronger, more resilient character, preparing us to face future difficulties with confidence and grace. Through this Stoic lens, we learn that the path to happiness and contentment often involves embracing and overcoming the challenges that come our way. Live in accordance with nature. Another key principle of Stoicism is living in accordance with nature. The Stoics believed that understanding our place in the world and harmonizing our lives with the natural order is crucial for achieving happiness and contentment. This philosophy encourages us to accept the natural course of life, recognizing that we are part of a larger whole and that change is a fundamental aspect of existence. By embracing the concept of living in harmony with nature, we learn to accept life's inevitable transitions with grace and equanimity. This includes everything from the aging process to changes in relationships and career shifts. When we understand that these changes are natural and unavoidable, we can approach them with a sense of peace rather than resistance or anxiety. In disarming, consider the changing seasons. We don't get upset when winter comes because we know it's a natural part of the cycle. We prepare for it, we adapt our activities, and we find ways to appreciate its unique beauty. Similarly, in life, we should accept changes and transitions as natural. Whether it's the end of a relationship, moving to a new city, or transitioning to a different phase in our career, understanding that these are natural parts of life can help us accept them more peacefully. For instance, imagine you're facing a significant change at work, such as a job reassignment or the introduction of new technologies. Instead of resisting these changes, view them as part of the natural progression of your career. Embrace the opportunity to learn new skills, meet new colleagues, and grow professionally. By aligning yourself with the natural flow of life, you reduce stress and increase your ability to adapt and thrive. The Stoics teach us that just as we accept and adapt to the natural world, we should also accept and adapt to the changes and cycles within our lives. By doing so, we cultivate a mindset of acceptance and flexibility, allowing us to navigate life's transitions with greater ease and content. Recognizing that we are part of a larger, ever-changing whole helps us find our place in the world and live more harmoniously with the natural order of things. Develop inner strength. For the Stoics, true happiness comes from within. They taught that we should develop inner strength and not rely on external circumstances for our happiness. This means cultivating virtues like wisdom, courage, justice, and self-control. By focusing on building these inner qualities, we become more resilient and capable of handling whatever life throws at us. This inner strength forms the bedrock of a fulfilling and contented life. Developing inner strength involves a commitment to personal growth and self-improvement. It's about becoming the best version of ourselves, regardless of external conditions. When we cultivate virtues like wisdom, we gain the clarity to make better decisions. With courage, we find the bravery to face our fears and challenges head-on. By practicing justice, we strive to treat others fairly and with respect. And through self-control, we manage our impulses and maintain our composure in difficult situations. For example, imagine someone who remains calm and composed in a crisis. They draw their strength from within and aren't easily shaken by external events. We can all strive to develop this kind of inner resilience. Practicing mindfulness and meditation can help build our inner strength by teaching us to remain present and focused, even in stressful situations. These practices encourage us to observe our thoughts and emotions without becoming overwhelmed by them. For example, think about someone who is navigating a personal or professional crisis. Rather than reacting impulsively or with panic, they take a moment to breathe, assess the situation, and respond thoughtfully. Their calm demeanor not only helps them handle the crisis more effectively, but also positively influences those around them. This kind of inner strength doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent practice and a commitment to personal growth. The Stoics remind us that while we can't control external events, we can control how we respond to them. By developing inner strength, we equip ourselves to face life's challenges with resilience and grace. This inner fortitude is the foundation of true happiness and contentment, allowing us to remain steadfast and composed, no matter what life brings our way. In conclusion, the Stoic principles of focusing on what we can control, practicing gratitude, embracing challenges, living in accordance with nature, and developing inner strength offer a powerful framework for finding happiness and contentment. By integrating these teachings into our daily lives, we can cultivate a deeper sense of peace and fulfillment. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Stoic wisdom. We hope these insights inspire you to live a more resilient, grateful, and content life. Conclusion. The teachings of the Stoics offer us practical guidance on how to find happiness and contentment. By focusing on what we can control, practicing gratitude, embracing challenges, living in accordance with nature, and developing inner strength, we can lead more fulfilling lives. Remember, these principles aren't about ignoring our emotions or pretending everything is perfect. Instead, they're about finding peace and contentment within ourselves, regardless of what's happening around us. Thank you for listening, and I hope these Stoic principles inspire you to live a happier, more content life. As we wrap up, take a moment to reflect on how you can incorporate these Stoic teachings into your daily routine. Whether it's taking a deep breath in traffic, noting 3 things you're grateful for each day, facing your next challenge head-on, or simply accepting the natural flow of life, these small changes can lead to profound shifts in your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on living a balanced and fulfilling life. Feel free to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or any personal experiences with Stoic principles. Together, we can build a community of individuals striving for inner peace and happiness. Thank you again for watching, and until next time, remember to focus on what you can control and find contentment within. Stay resilient, stay grateful, and live in harmony with the natural flow of life. Have a wonderful day.